In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Hubspot Conversations inbox, also known as the shared inbox, in just 5 minutes. This feature is incredibly useful for businesses looking to streamline their customer communications through a central, organized platform. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive right in. First things first, head on over to HubSpot's homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL or searching for HubSpot online. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. If you're like me, you might have 100 different passwords floating around in your head, so have yours ready or use a password manager for easy access. Once you've successfully logged into your HubSpot account, you'll be brought to the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your main hub where most of your activities will start. From this dashboard, look for the settings icon. It's usually represented by a gear symbol, and clicking on it will take you to a new array of options where you can adjust various settings to your liking. Now, in the settings section, you'll want to focus on the options listed on the left hand side. Among these, search for the section labelled Inbox and Help Desk. Clicking on this will narrow down your options further and help you find where we need to be. After that, direct your attention to a tab that says Inboxes. This section is specifically designed for managing all your incoming and outgoing communications from a singular point. Click on Inboxes and you'll be presented with an area that allows you to connect different channels to your shared inbox. At this stage, you'll want to look for the option that says Connect a Channel. This step is crucial as it marks the start of integrating various platforms through which your customers interact with you. Once you see this option, go ahead and click it. Following this, you're aiming to set up chat functionalities, which is often one of the primary channels businesses use for real-time customer interactions. To do this, simply click on the chat option available in this section. This will enable you to begin the process of configuring and customizing your chat settings to better suit the needs of both your business and your customers. And there you have it, you've just set up your HubSpot Conversations inbox. By following these steps, you're paving the way for streamlined, effective communication between your team and your customers. Remember, bringing all your communications into one place makes it easier to track conversations, improve response times, and ultimately boost customer satisfaction. Now, get out there and make the most of your new setup. Thanks for watching, and if this walkthrough helped you, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using HubSpot to its full potential. See you next time.